ASUS Chromebook Flip C433 2-in-1 laptop, 14 inches touchscreen FHD NanoEdge display, Intel Core M3-8100Y processor, 8GB RAM, 64GB eMMC storage, backlit. Brand new My ASUS is here. Essential update. Your system is up to date. Keep up to date. One-click diagnosis. Send online repair request. Seamless access to service. Whisper. On. Make your PC really personal. Into My ASUS. Screen extend. Select files. Send. Select nearby device. Easy file transfer PC and mobile between. Your PC just got better. ASUS.